Okay, so Kommunikation im Unterricht, Nummer 8. Okay. So, Nummer 8 says langsamer bitte. Try the first word, langsamer. Okay. And the second word is what? Bitte. Bitte. What does bitte mean again? Please. Yeah, in this case, it means please. Lots of different meanings. So langsamer means slower. So langsam is slow, langsamer is slower. So slower, please. Okay. Number 9, what's your first word? Ich. Okay. How do you think you'd say the next word? V's are like F's, remember. Verstehe. Good. Try that one. Verstehe. Last word? Nicht. Good. Ich verstehe nicht. Try it together. Ich verstehe nicht. It means I don't understand. Nummer 10. First word is what? Ich. Second word? How would you say that one? Weiß. Good. Okay. And the last word? Nicht. Try it all together. Ich weiß nicht. What does that mean? I don't know. Good. And so that vice is pronounced vice like vice president. Okay. Nummer 11. First word? Ich. Second word? Habe. Everybody try. Habe. Next word? Keine. Everybody try. Keine. The last word is a fun one. Ahnung. Okay, put it together. Ich habe keine Ahnung. I have no clue. You can shorten it up to just keine Ahnung.
Wait, I have no clue.
Yep. Alright, 12 has many parts, so we're putting on a new slide here. Okay. So, try that one. Wunderbar. You saw that yesterday in your alphabet song. Remember what it means? Wonderful.
How are you supposed to write this? Yeah.
However you feel like.
No, I'm saying like weird.
You could put it on the back if you want. You could just, like, 12 A, B, C, D, to G. That's fine. Yep, we're over on the far right, a little bit lower. That works too. If you write really small, like some people do, then you can fit it next to it. Okay, letter B. Toll. Everybody. Toll. Toll. Okay, toll means great. Oh, I just put the German word. That's not as helpful. Okay. Letter C. Try it. Prima. There's another word that means greater. So they're about the same thing. Toll and prima. Letter D. Try that one. Genau. Okay. This one's one that we use a lot in class. Okay. My German teacher used to always come up to us and would say, Genau, and smack his nose and point at us if we got it right. It means exactly. It's like on the nose is what he was trying to, like, right on the nose. You got it right on.
You point at your nose.
Huh?
Charades, when they get it right, you point.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you got it right on the nose. Yeah. Okay. Letter E is a good fun one. Try that. Ausgezeichnet. Let's try it again. Ausgezeichnet. Pretty good. Okay. Means excellent. Letter F, you've probably heard this one before. Jawohl. Okay. How many have heard it? Yeah. Used quite a lot in the military initially, so we use it a lot in here too. So it means a variety of things, but it kind of comes down roughly to yes sir, yes ma'am, but it can also be more along the lines of right on, like, jawohl, you're on the right track. So, well, in this case, we'll go yes ma'am, because you're not going to be. Okay. Doesn't mean right on in like a hippie kind of way, just so we're clear. Okay. And the last one for number 12. Everybody try that one. Mist. Does anybody know this one already? Mist means crap.
Sweet.
Yep.
I use that a lot.
So if you say it in English, I'm going to ask you to say it in German at this point. Okay?
So, mist.
Mist. Yeah, so if you drink Sierra Mist,
Sierra.
uh-huh. So anytime I see people drinking that, it's like, maybe not the best choice. Just so we're clear about something. The word mist, still recording.
Huh?
Still recording, Dylan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
Bring in.
Okay. The word mist in German is not, like here you might get in trouble saying the word crap in front of a teacher. You would not get in trouble saying mist in front of a teacher in Germany. It's not the same level of, I guess, swearing, for lack of a better word. Okay. That is the only word that you're allowed to use as far as our equivalent of a swear word. You cannot swear in English or in German in my classroom. Okay? You don't ever swear in another language until you've lived there and you've become part of the culture. Otherwise, you end up insulting yourself or doing something stupid and getting yourself in a lot of trouble. Okay? It's a pretty major difference, so you don't want to attempt that. Okay? So you will not attempt it in my class. Remember, we're still recording before you ask your question. You still want to ask it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so, right, so if you're in front of an American teacher and instead of saying crap, you say miss,
Mm-hmm.
is that okay? Or
Well, kind of depends on if the German teacher understands you, or if the teacher understands you or not. For example, if
then
there are a couple people around who speak German, like Miss Sandberg, Mr. Keene, Mr. Walling.
Oh, Miss
Mr.
Byron.
Wallen does?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm saying.
Who does? Miss Sandberg?
Mr. Baker.
Mr. Hokanen?
Hokanen.
So there are quite a few around, so be mindful. They may not feel the same way about it, but in my class you're welcome to say that word. Okay? Alright, we're gonna go on. Ready? Right scene. Number 13. Okay? How do you say the first word?
Whoa.
Vo. Good. And what does vo mean?
Whoa.
Where? Yeah, it's up on the poster, that's why I pointed to it. Okay? The second word, try. Steht. Okay? And the last word is what?
Das.
Das. Good. Put it together. Wo steht das? Where is that? You're literally asking where it's located or where it's standing. It may not physically be standing. Okay? They use that interchangeably with like, where is it located? We're going through 20 today. A little behind because of iPad stuff. Okay. Nummer 14. First word. Auf. Everybody, auf. Welcher. Seite. What's the next one? Ist. And the last one? Good. Put it all together. Auf welcher Seite ist das? Good. On what page is that? So what page is it on? Nummer 15. First word, Moment. Okay. Second word is what?
Mal.
Yeah. So Moment mal. Try it. Moment mal.
Moment mal.
Just a moment. Nummer 16. First word? S. Good. Second word is tut. Okay. Third word? Mir. Good. And the last word? Leid. Good. Try it all together. Es tut mir leid. Okay. Now if you flip-flop that I and the E, and you said es tut mir leid, that would change the meaning pretty drastically. Okay. Es tut mir leid means, how's that for timing? It's pretty awesome. Okay. Es tut mir leid literally means it causes me emotional pain.
Are you
If you... cereal. Okay?
Why do you say cereal?
Why do you say, are you for real?
Because I was wondering if you're joking or not.
And I'm responding with the same kind of, you know,
Or just
vocabulary.
Cereal, like Cocoa Pebbles or something.
Anyway, so es tut mir leid, it causes me emotional pain. Es tut mir leid, it causes me song. You know, just break out and do it, okay? So es tut mir leid means I'm sorry. They do just say sorry now, but this isn't another one that you should know. Okay?
Oh, that means it causes you emotional pain.
It does. If you're sorry about something,
Well, that's
you're emotionally pained.
right?
It's not physical pain, it's different. Then you would say es tut mir weh.
So who would be saying? Does it mean it causes me emotional pain?
Yeah, so if you told me a horrible story about something that happened, I would say, oh, es tut mir leid. It's causing me emotional pain too. Like, I'm sympathizing with you, I'm sorry about that. Okay? Or if you bump into somebody, es tut mir leid. Might cause them, like, physical pain, but not emotional. Okay? Alright, moving on, Nummer 17. These are very, very important ones, the next couple. Okay? Wolfgang.
Deli-
Yeah.
I'm serious as a heart attack. This one looks like a toilet.
Huh. Yep, sure does. I wonder what it's going to be about.
It got a different meaning in Germany, right?
No.
This toilet?
Yeah.
Why would it be on here?
Oh,
Okay, here we go.
okay.
17, they both mean the same thing, so you can put the same definition down for both of them. First word, darf. Okay, like darf. Okay, like that. You guys, yeah. Darf. Next one is ich. Next one? Next one? Oh, not die. No dying. Okay, die. Okay, try. Toilette. Gehen. What do you think that means?
Going to the bathroom.
May I go to the bathroom?
Is that the same thing for the second one you said? Is it the
The
same thing?
A and B mean the same thing.
Okay, so we don't have to do B.
We're going to do B in a second. Come so. The difference between the two is the first one is more formal. Literally, you're asking, may I go to the toilet, the restroom? They don't call it a bathroom unless there actually is a bath or a shower in it, because it is a room for bathing. If you're bathing in a room that doesn't have a bath or a shower, you've got some issues. Okay? The second one is far more informal. It's more like asking, can I go to the John? Okay? More along that line. So if you're in an informal setting like this, you can use the second one. If you're in like a formal setting, don't use that one. Okay? So most people go with the second one in here simply because it's shorter. Okay? So try. Darf ich aufs Klo? Okay? You gotta be careful in the pronunciation of that one. If you say aus without the F in there, then you're asking to come out of the toilet. Okay? So be mindful.
Bro, watch Dylan. I call that Dylan's gonna say.
You know, or if you say, you know, a lot of people later will say like, kann ich blah 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 aufs Klo or something. Can you go to the restroom? Yeah, you're physically capable, but more so than in English even, you need to ask using may, so that's what the darf is. Okay? May I go to the bathroom? Okay? Gut. Can we move on? Yeah. Nummer 18. How do you say the first two? Good. Darf ich. Next one? Wasser. Yep, see? What does Wasser mean again? Water. Look at you, already better than Brazatabletten, Erica. Okay. And the last word? Holen. Okay. May I get water? Now, the reason you ask it like this, instead of can I go get a drink or can I go to the drinking fountain, is because typically, in Germany for sure, in Europe kind of in general, drinking fountains are a thing that don't exist. I've seen one in Germany. One. It is at the Daimler Chrysler Museum in Stuttgart, if you're interested in finding it. Okay? Have at. You can drink tap water in Germany. It's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But they don't feel the same way about it. You're not going to get sick. It's not like you're going to, you know, some third world nation or something and trying to drink their water and get disease and stuff. Okay? It's perfectly fine. I drink it all the time. See? Okay, but it is something that they don't drink. So if you go to a restaurant, for example, and you ask for water, you're going to get bottled water and you're going to have to pay for it. Okay, so be aware of that. Okay, so in this case, you're literally going to asking, "May I go get water?" Okay, because you won't. There's not really a word for drinking fountain. You won't find one anyway. So this covers you going to use our drinking fountain as well as filling up a water bottle. It's for both. Okay. Okay, Nummer 19. Almost done. Okay, first two. Darf ich? Good. Zum. And we're going to break this one apart. Schließ. Fach. Okay, put it together. Schließfach. Good. Gehen. Okay. That's asking, may I go to my locker? So no.
How's that you?
By the way, that's our last box of tissues. So please bring in some. We have no more after that. There's not even paper towels in the closest bathroom, so you would have to go a ways to find something. Okay? Alright, Nummer 20. First two. Everybody again. Darf ich? Zur? I'm going to break this one down. Kranken? Schwester. Krankenschwester. Another great word. Try it again. Krankenschwester. Oh, one more time. Krankenschwester. Pretty good. And the last word is what? Gehen. Any idea? Yeah?
May I go to the nurse?
Yeah, go to the nurse. Yes. Literally sick sister. Back when they used to be nuns. A sister who cares for the sick. So krank means sick and Schwester means sister.
Oh, so we have to say, may I go?
Yeah, unless you're like on the verge of puking or something. If you are like, I need to go get some Advil or some allergy medication or something like that, then you use the phrase. If you're like, you're about to like
Blow John.
puke, yeah, then just say, nurse, and run.
Just make
Okay.
a mad dash for it.
Yeah. True story, I was working in the IMC a few years ago. Hold on, I'm going to finish my notes here.
Oh, okay, so it's lucky a nasty story. Please, hold back your mouth here just in case you have to throw up yourself.